Welcome to IMG. My name is Manny Iglesias. Folks, $1 billion a day. That is roughly the cost of this conflict to the U.S. at this point in time. Here's what's going on. As we speak, more European countries are actually being drawn into the conflict. And the market at this point in time really doesn't know how to interpret this. What I mean is, you see the market rising one day, and the very next day, you have a decline in prices. The market is trying to figure out, just like everybody else, is this going to be coming to a conclusion over the next couple of weeks? Or somehow is this going to be drawn out over time? As obviously we have seen already that there's contact throughout the Middle East by Iranian missiles. There is more tension as everybody is being drawn into this conflict. But the market doesn't know what is going to occur. Again, the duration of the conflict will determine how the market actually reacts. If the market truthfully interprets this as a long-term scenario, the market will start to rise sharply. If the market determines that this will somehow unwind in the near future, the market will start to decline. But from a technical standpoint, with everything that's going on, the market remains range-bound. Yes, the volatility is there. Whether we rise sharply or we decline sharply, nevertheless, there is no clear breakout upward or downward. We're stuck in the middle. Let the market, as I've always shared with you guys, dictate. Let the market offer you, because of price, relative to price, either an exit point or an entry point. The other thing that I see here, there's obvious confusion, the obvious confusion that we're talking about, but now let's address it from a longer term perspective. Everything that we are witnessing, all these missiles and all this equipment that is being utilized at this point in time in this conflict needs to be replenished. And all of it requires silver. All of it requires silver. So all these warehouses of all this stockpile that we've had and we've amassed over years that is being consumed needs to be replenished, and all of it requires silver. Much of it is classified information, so we don't know the specifics. Some of it, we have a general feel. And if you want to know some of those numbers and dig in a little bit more as to what that may actually mean in regards to product and the need, how many ounces, or some estimates along those lines, contact IMG. This is a time that will offer opportunities that will be very attractive to all of us. Allow the market to come to us. I'm making my comments regarding price. Contact IMG. We'd be glad to assist. I wish you all the very best.